All right, so what we're learning about today is all the different aspects and functions of our heating system for the main celebration space. And this furnace here is the one that's going to do most of the work, and we'll learn about it. But the first thing to figure out is that we actually have a light switch right here on the wall, which we
Tremendously
turn
helpful.
on because quite often when we come down here, it's dark, right? So that's important. Secondly, I usually have a lighter stuck in here and somebody has run off with it. We'll get another one so that there's a lighter here for starting the fire. Next is we have two garbage cans here in which we keep paper on the one side and small wood on the other so that we can get a fire started relatively easily. Okay, we're coming into this situation with everything turned off. This is the main door and it's a little tight. We have to pull it open. All right. Now, what you see here are three doors, right? And the top door is the one through which we feed the fire once it's going. The middle door is how we get the fire going. And usually what we do is we push paper in down here in the middle door, and we take some of this small wood and poke it in there and pile it on top. And then, and I've already done that by the way, so it's set up to just light off. And then once we have like some dry small wood on top, we put slightly bigger dry wood, which we usually get out of this big wood pile over here that's behind this curtain. And we just build it up a little ways to get it going. Okay? Now the bottom door, just so that we know what we're gonna not do now, but we'll do in the future, that door is where we clean the ash out, okay? That's one of the doors we clean the ash out. Not, there are many more, but this is the bottom one. So real quickly, to get the fire going, then we have put paper in here, we have put dry wood on top, and we just light it off, and we leave it with these two doors open for a while. And what'll happen is the fire gets going, and pretty soon there'll be flames licking up out of here, okay? Now, the next part we have to learn about is at the back. So come around here.
Okay. Fire, paper, about 20 sheets of paper.
Yeah, crumple them up a little bit. Yes.
And then on top, about 20 sticks of wood. Or...
Yeah, and I mean, what we're talking about is, you know, wood like this, going up to a larger size, you know. So
very
like
dry
this,
kindling.
Dry kindling. And then, before we even start the fire, we will also, and like I say, I've already got it in there, and we'll need to clean this out a little bit better.
I can do that.
But anyway, we will be putting stuff in that may be like this, you know.
So